Hey y'all, I'm Kasey with Frazer. Don't you hate the excessive cost of maintaining an ambulance fleet? We've heard from fleet supervisors how difficult and expensive it is to maintain their units when they're regularly in the shop for repairs. At Frazer, we appreciate that you don't want to waste your time or money. Have you considered going LOCO? Frazer's low overall cost of ownership allows you to reduce the number of reserve units you have by keeping your frontline fleet in service. Minimizing downtime by using modular components that can be replaced in a few hours at most. We've tracked cost per mile data and found a 59% and in some cases up to a 90% reduction in maintenance costs with a Frazer fleet compared to our competitors. With the lowest overall cost of ownership in the industry, Frazer's superior design allows our units to stay on the road longer and get back on the road faster. To learn more about Frazer's low overall cost of ownership, give us a call at 888-372-9371. Email us at info@frazerbilt.com. Visit our website at frazerbilt.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.